Whether we're talking about your morning pick-me-up or building a slide deck, if you can achieve the same result with less effort, hey, why fight it? Hi, I'm Michael Thiel. In this episode, I'll show you how to customize your quick access toolbar for rapid results. In this episode, we're talking about the quick access toolbar. We're going to focus on three things. First of all, what the heck is the quick access toolbar? Number two, how do you customize it? And number three, what are some recommendations for what you might want to put on it to work with speed and precision? So let's get cooking. The first topic is what the heck is the quick access toolbar? And probably the reason you haven't heard of it is that it's pretty sad and lonely up there. Let's take a look. We are looking at my quick access toolbar, and to be real honest, it's this little tiny strip of orange at the very top of your PowerPoint system. And incidentally, if you are looking at Word or Excel or any of those other pesky Microsoft Office products, we also have that little strip up there. So that's a little bonus for you. But let's talk about PowerPoint. So with PowerPoint, you only see a save button, an undo button, a redo, and also a slideshow button. So it's pretty basic. So for most of us that have been using PowerPoint for at least a week or two, we kind of know the shortcuts for those. So what we're going to do is just clean house, get rid of those, because I consider that quick access toolbar precious real estate. So let's show you how to do that. You just need to simply hover over one of these items that you want to get rid of, right-click, and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. That's really it. It's that easy. So I'm going to clean house right now and then get this ready for my own customized icons. The question now is, how do you add features to the Quick Access Toolbar? Fortunately, it's very easy and, dare I say, fun. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use one of my personal favorite features, the selection pane, and we're going to add it to the quick access toolbar. Here's how. All right, so under the home menu, if we go to arrange, we can drop down to the bottom and there is selection pane. All we need to do is right click it, hit add to quick access toolbar, and you're going to notice it right up there on the top of your ribbon. So just continue on like that and you're in business. Topic number three, some recommendations for what to put on your quick access toolbar. I have picked out some of my absolute must-have features for the quick access toolbar. So let me just walk you through what those are. Here we go. What you're going to notice is that, again, I've left save on there. We have selection pane. I'll show you that on other videos, how this is a game changer. We will have shape fill, shape outline, insert text box, insert picture, insert shapes. The align and distribute tools, these are awesome to have on there. As well as rotate objects, format painter, insert comment, and my personal favorite, crop. So that is a look at my quick access toolbar. Let me show you the power of the quick access toolbar by stepping in and just working with a couple of shapes. What we see on my screen here is that I have three different shapes, just some boxes. Now, normally if I wanted to do something like left align this box, I would need to select the box, I'd have to go up to arrange, and I would have to hit align and left, etc., etc. That's about 4 or 5 clicks. That's a slow boat. We don't want to do that. This is PowerPoint Pro moves. So let me show you when we have a fully stocked up quick access toolbar, how fast this can be. Now I've magically put all of my favorite tools up on that toolbar. So let's do left align, top align, right align, bottom align. All your favorite hits of alignment are all set up there. Very fast, very efficient. Hopefully that gives you a little idea of the power of the quick access toolbar. Okay, in this video we talked about what is the quick access toolbar, how do you customize it, and some recommendations for what you might want to put on it. So you know how this YouTube thing works. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell a friend. Hey, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more PowerPoint Pro Moves.